What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Michelle. We're about to get into this cooking challenge. I got my boy King for you.
Yeah, we got boy King for you. Oh, yeah.
So today we're gonna be making pasta. It's gonna be me versus him. And for the judges, we have my best friend Ro.
There's also my girlfriend.
Ro.
Hot Rod the God, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Pronunciation made by my boyfriend Robert. Tall ass.
So how this video is gonna go is me and Michelle are gonna make two different styles of pasta in our own styles. Robert and Ro are going to be the judges, and they are going to be blindfolded and won't know which pasta is which.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm new here, but I'm hoping to stay here for a long time, not a good time and a long time. Alright, so now we're about to get into the cooking. We're gonna show you guys a little bit of that, what's going on here, the mess I'm about to make in my mom's kitchen.
starving. I can't wait to eat this noodle. Somebody give me a noodle right now.
All done, and we have our plate set up. They're gonna first try one dish by one person, then the second dish by the other person, and they're gonna figure out which one's the best. So
Where
it's
is
time
my
for the
fork?
moment of truth.
Am I supposed to just put my face in it?
Can I just take this off? I promise to keep my eyes closed. I can't.
Fine.
You got some Parmesan cheese on top.
Yes, we do.
That is very good. Whoever made that, hats off to you.
I'm looking for a shrimp. I'm ready for the second one.
The palate cleanser is a shot of him.
Oh!
Yeah.
Next plate is in front of me.
This one got some shrimp.
Alright, let's see.
You don't know.
All
Let me check.
Don't say nothing, man. You know.
Ooh, yeah.
We're going for taste, not components. You know,
Oh,
we're
sure.
going for taste and quality of the actual noodle.
No man.
Am I allowed to partake now?
Yes. It's
Oh, that's another shrimp. Oh, where's the pasta? I want to eat all the shrimp right now.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
I'm not gonna hold you.
This.
Can I have another one of the other one?
You bring me up the other one too.
But I don't want
This is a
to go
real
too far.
challenge right here.
Is this the
Both
other
of y'all
one?
brought your
Yes,
A
that's the
game.
other one.
Both of y'all brought your A game here.
This one gives me the creaminess that I like in the pasta, but I fear there's not enough Parmesan cheese.
All right.
What's the other one?
You mean you want to switch again?
Hmm. I see what you're saying. This one's very creamy. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? The other one feels like it has a different type of seasoning in it.
Yeah, this one's like a little
like that.
spicier.
Right, like
This one's spicier altogether. Down. Is this the one with the shrimp in it?
Yeah, that's the one that you got a lot of shrimp in.
something feels wrong here.
I think this
Oh,
person
okay, it's
knew
a
what they
fork.
were doing.
Okay.
I think this person is tailoring to my.
Okay, there's nothing on the fork. And
I
just
think
did
I'm
that.
leaning towards. I made my decision.
Hold on, I haven't made my decision yet. Wow.
But honestly, it's like one
Let me
is
taste
like,
that. Let me taste
one
that
is
first
like
one one more
a
time.
9, and the other
Where's the
one
first
is
one?
like
Let me
a
taste the
10.
first one one more time.
Like that's the difference. They're both really good, but
Where's
like
it?
It's done.
this.
Someone help me. Right here?
Yes.
This is the first one?
Mhm. You didn't get No, you still ain't getting nothing.
Can I look now?
But
No.
he's dropping it all on the table.
I'm gonna drop it on the table.
Yes,
You know what I'm
here,
doing?
there you go. You got a little bit on there.
Wow.
You've made your decision? Which one?
That is
First one or
a
second
very
one?
hard
Second
decision.
one.
And you?
That's a very hard decision, but I'm gonna have to say the second one is popular.
Time to
Can I open my
reveal.
eyes
It's
now?
time to reveal. Everybody open your eyes. Take off your blindfolds, open your eyes. The winner is Colin Pierre.
Oh my god!
I'm hurt.
You know, coming into
I
this,
can't
I was a
believe
little
it.
nervous. I thought I was gonna lose. Mimi, she put her elbows, her toes into the pot, I tasted it. It tastes good, but you feel me?
I'm surprised, man.
I came out on top.
Alright, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Turn on those notifications so you know whenever I post. I don't know how frequently I'm going to be posting considering this is my first video, but you know, holla at your girl, you feel me?